What's going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. Y'all see that? I've been wanting to film one of these cars for a long time. Y'all already know what this is. I ain't gotta explain to you what it is, but it's a legendary supercar, an American supercar from Ford, the legendary Ford GT. This one in particular is a 2005. It's such a beautiful car. I remember when these came out, I was in grade school, and they just a spectacular car. Good old 6-speed manual, mid-engine supercar. This one in particular, I know is supercharged, but well, there is a story behind this car. I'm going to explain to you what it's all about. I'm going to introduce you to a buddy of mine. So check it out. All right, I'm going to introduce you to a special buddy of mine. His name is Bill Platzbecker. This is his personal Ford GT. Hey Bill, I know you a big Ford guy. I know you're a big car guy in general, but one in particular, you're big on Fords. Tell me more about your Ford GT. What got you interested in liking Fords?
Well, I just saw it. My dad sold Fords for 26 years, and I've always had Fords. I've had Chevrolets and other cars too. But I've always liked these and stuff, and when they came out I wanted one, but I didn't have enough money to buy one. And then later on I saved up and looked for 2 years for one. Then I found this one on the internet and bought it. And it's just fun to drive. It's like being a kid again.
I know you're an older guy and all, but just, you know, you working hard and saving your money, and you believe in yourself, anything possible when you work hard and you save your money. Now here you are, man. You just living a dream. You draw a beautiful example right here. It's just, like I said when I mentioned in my intro, this just is a beautiful car. Still to this day, I know this car about to be almost 20 years old, but it still look good today.
Supposedly it's the most recognized car in the world.
Oh, you're right about that. Absolutely. Like, everybody across the world knows what this is when you first see it.
The little kids especially know everything about it, because there's a game on the internet they play and they can buy cars and build them, and this is their most popular car the little kids build. You're
right, you're absolutely right. In all type of video games, this car is almost in almost all the racing games too. Absolutely. Nobody drinking in my car anyway, so I applaud Ford for not doing that. That company Lexus, I know it's the division of Toyota, that LFA car they had out a decade ago, it ain't got no cup holders. You don't need no cup holders. It's one-off type vehicle. I mean, again, you're not drinking in my car.
I take my Mustang places, nobody looks at it.
Really?
I take this, everybody and their brothers all over it.
It's just one of those cars you just don't see. Like, I know you have that Boss 302, the Mustang, and I like that car too. But it's just crazy. Everybody come, you know, at these events, they don't even pay attention to it. But when they see this,
look at it. I went down to Somerset, Kentucky. We took this, Nancy and I. We drove it down. They had that big Mustang and all the cars were parked on the side, and I thought, well, what the heck are they doing?
Right.
So I just drove up, and I said, where do you go in? And the guy says, well, you got to get at the back of the lot. And I said, oh, okay.
Yeah, you don't want to go like as fast as possible on the street. Why would you? You know, it's something.
Well, and the tires on this they're original.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So they're old. That's why I don't.
Oh, for safety reasons, you don't want to see that regardless because of that. So that's totally understandable. But I get what you're coming from. Why would I want to go fast on this with old tires at that? Because again, if something happens, it's gonna get ugly.
Yeah.
We don't want that. So I totally get what you're saying. Absolutely. Ford GT, American supercar. Don't get no better than that. I can't believe I ain't driving a Ford GT. This is so awesome. It really is.
Yeah, it's an awesome car.
It is, and I appreciate you letting me do it. Hey everybody, driving a Ford GT. Dream come true. I'm speechless right now. I really am. I'm just lost for words. I'm just enjoying the moment. Absolutely. Well, today was a special, fantastic day. Thank you so much, Bill Platzbecker. I appreciate you giving me a ride along in your Ford GT, and thank you for also letting me drive it on the way back here. This such an awesome car. It feels like you're special when you're in this car. It just is so raw and visceral, but it dates back to like the old school days, how, you know, the Carroll Shelby and Ford was racing at Le Mans and stuff. It's such an awesome car. It really is. It's just, for an American icon like this, it's truly special. But all right, everybody, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.